Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reset internet settings or network settings on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To reset internet settings or network settings, right click on Start menu. Click on Settings. In left pane, click on Network and Internet. Here you will find Advanced Network Settings, and then here you will find Network Reset. Just click on Network Reset, and here you will find a button Reset Now. Just click on Reset Now, and you will find a notification. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Just click on yes. Now your computer will be shut down in 5 minutes. Shutdown will start on the date and time is showing here. Just click on close and then close settings. Now you can restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power, and then click on restart. After restarting the computer, hope your internet setting is reset on Windows 11 computer successfully. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.